Hello dear students, welcome in science class. Myself Swati Jain and today we will start our chapter number 7, Safety and First Aid. Suppose you are playing with your friends but due to carelessness one of your friend gets injured. So what would you do if he has a burn or a sprain or a fracture? You will use first some safety aids. Yes, like ointment cream, hot or cold water, bandage, etc. So, in this chapter, we will learn about some ways to deal with such types of emergencies. First aid. So, one question arises here, what is first aid? First aid is the earliest treatment given to a patient immediately after getting hurt or falling sick. We also should follow safety rules for our safety and safety of other people as well. So, here are some ways to deal with these type of emergencies. Sprain. Now, in this chapter, our first discussion is about sprain. What is a sprain? A sprain is an injury when the tissue around a joint gets torn due to a sudden jerk. It is very painful. It causes swelling and sometimes discoloration of the skin. First aid. If a person get injured with sprain, so which type of first aid we have to take? First, affected portion is need to be at rest. Apply an ice pack on the sprained area for 15 to 20 minutes and this will repeat 4 to 8 times in a day till the swelling disappeared. Apply a pain relieving ointment. Compress the area with an elastic wrap of bandage, etc. Fracture. Now, our next topic is fracture. Fracture is also called dislocation. A fracture is a slight crack or break in a bone. This can cause unbearable pain. A fracture needs immediate medical attention. First aid. So, which type of treatment we will give to a fractured person? Do not move the patient, keep him calm and comfortable. Use a splint as you see in the picture to give support to the broken bone. Apply ice pack to limit swelling and relieve pain. Burns. Yes, dear children, our next topic is burns. A burn is an injury caused by exposure to heat, electricity, or chemicals. Most burns are caused by heat from hot liquids, solids, or fire. Burns are usually caused severe pain and blisters. First aid. For any kind of burn, we should follow few steps. Remove the person away from the source of burn. Remove any jewelry or clothes from the affected part. And do not touch or prick blisters. Blisters means chhale. There are different types of burns, but in this chapter we will read about the three types of burns: minor burns, severe burns, and chemical burns. In the minor burn, we will discuss about how to treat the person that is injured by minor burns. Wash the burn area with cool water. Do not use ice. Do not apply things like butter on the burn. Apply an antiseptic cream like Burnol on the affected area. Next is severe burns. Do not use cold water on the burn area. Cover the burn with a clean piece of cloth to protect it from germs and infections. Raise the burn area above the heart level if possible, because this helps fluid present in our body move back towards the heart for circulating to the rest of the body. Take the victim to the doctor immediately. Next is chemical burns. Remove the chemical causing the burn. Use brush or towel for the dry chemicals. Wash the affected area with running water to wash off the remaining chemicals. Cover the burn area with a clean piece of cloth to protect it from germs and infections.